All right, so let's say you've graphed for part 2, acceleration as a function of the system mass. What you should get is a set of points that looks something like this. And if you do a curve fit, you'll realize that linear doesn't quite work. But if you change it to an inverse equation, inversely proportional, you should get a nice fit as long as your data is really good. Now, this is not actually the graph that we're after. We want to linearize the data. So the trick that we're going to do is we're going to go back and add a third column, right? Or fourth or fifth or sixth. And we're going to do 1 over m, right? We're going to change the data so that this becomes what's plotted on our x-axis. So our formula is going to be 1 divided by the mass, right? We just took the inverse of the mass data. And now when we go to plot, if we change our x variable to 1 over m, we end up with a very linear graph. And now we can change it to proportional or linear, and I can even change it so we can see it's proportional right through 0, 0, and then we can get the slope, and then we can try to figure out, okay, how can we use the slope in this graph to figure out the mass hanging.